Hey everyone! Welcome to Acadia National Park in Maine. And right now we're standing at one of the most jaw-dropping spots, Thunder Hole. Just look at this view. Rugged pink granite cliffs, pine trees hugging the coast, and that crisp, salty ocean breeze. Honestly, it feels like the Atlantic is alive here. Now, what makes Thunder Hole so special? It's this narrow rock crevice where the ocean waves crash into just the right spot. About 2 hours before high tide, the waves slam in, trap air, and boom! It sounds like thunder rolling through the cliffs. And sometimes, if you're standing nearby, the water shoots up 30 to 40 feet in the air. We actually got splashed, and honestly, that just makes it more fun. The science behind it is pretty cool too. When the wave rushes into the cavern, it compresses the air inside, and that suddenly releases is what creates that explosive thunder-like sound. Nature literally has its own sound effects here. Acadia National Park gets over 3 million visitors a year, and Thunder Hole is one of those must-see stops. Standing here, you really get the mix of raw ocean power and serene beauty. Waves pounding, cliffs glowing in the sun, seabirds flying overhead. It's like nature showing off in the best possible way. So, if you're ever in Maine, make sure Thunder Hole is on your list. Just remember the best time is a couple hours before high tide if you want to hear the full thunder effect. Trust me, you won't forget it. This place is wild, it's powerful, and it's pure Maine magic. See you in the next adventure.